Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this tutorial. So for today I just did a chatty get ready with me just to explain where I've been and why I haven't been uploading. So if you want to see this whole look come together, then please keep watching. I wasn't even going to film today. Well, I was going to film and then I wasn't going to film because I looked in the mirror and saw how shit my skin looks and I wanted to give up. But instead, I called a naturopath and I have an appointment with a naturopath on Friday, which is 2 days. So, fingers crossed, we can get to the root of this problem and finally have clear skin again. I'll keep you up to date on that. Hey, I'm just gonna do my makeup and chat as we go. If I don't say what I'm using, I'll link it below. I just primed with the Marc Jacobs and then I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way. So yeah, I just basically want to get to the root of the problem. I know there were people sitting there now saying, why are you putting makeup on? Like, I don't leave my makeup on for long when I do it. Like, I still have to work. I still have to, this is my job, you know. Putting makeup on is my job, so I still have to do it. But I don't leave it on. I take my makeup off and pretty much after I do it. Might leave it on for an hour and then take it off. And by the way, I drink a lot of water. I don't eat dairy and I don't eat sugar. I do eat sugar, but I try not to eat that much sugar. I'm conscious of my sugar intake. Because I know people try and help and give you suggestions, but trust me, I've tried it all. I've tried it all. I haven't tried going to the doctor because I just know they're just going to put me on some type of medication and that's not solving the problem. I want to know why. Why? That's all I want to know. Why? So then I can make it stop forever. But anyway, as I said, I know this is quite a common problem. Like, people do break out in this area. And the thing is, I never broke out when I was a teenager. Like, I never had a pimple, ever. And then the minute I hit my mid-20s, it was like, yeah, bitch, bye. You're gonna break out now. So, I don't know why. But I think it could be, like, I was diagnosed with endometriosis, like just mild endometriosis a couple of years ago, and you know, this could be to do with that because this area is usually your hormonal area. So, you know, it could be to do with that. I honestly do not know. But as I said, I'll keep you up to date and we'll go through it together. I'm just really sick of it. Every time I look in the mirror, like, it's honestly, it gets me down. So like, if you are someone suffering, like, you're not alone. You're really not alone. And I know it's hard when you go on social media and everybody has perfect skin, but it's Facetune. No, just kidding. Not for everyone. Not everybody Facetunes. Some people just have perfectly, amazingly gorgeous skin. I feel like I haven't been in the zone for YouTube since I came back from traveling. I don't know, just sometimes, like, all my traveling fell at once and it was just like a lot happening in my life all at once that I get really overwhelmed by things that I just stall. Like, when I get overwhelmed, it's just like I will just stall because I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what to do with the overwhelmedness. But anyway, so I was in LA for a few days with a skincare brand called Nanette de Gaspé, and then I was home for like 2 days, and then I was gone back to LA again, and then we went to Palm Springs. So I was gone then for like 5 or 6 days for Coachella, which in itself was pretty crazy. Like, you don't sleep that much at night and I was just tired from that. And then when I came home, so I flew home from Coachella, I got home here to Vancouver on the Monday evening, and then I flew out the next day home to Ireland for a week, which was a crazy week, but like the best week because I got to meet my little nephew who I love and miss so much. But we went home because it was his christening, which was so much fun, and I was gonna vlog that week, but my whole week was me with my nephew. And I don't put him on social media because he's not my kid, so I don't put anyone's kid on social media. You know, when it comes to kids and stuff like that, me personally, if it's not my kid, then I don't have a say in whether that kid goes on social media. So I didn't put anything up of him. And as I said, I was planning on vlogging, but the first few days I went home, I'm just going to use my, no, this one, my Quickie Contour to bronze. Yeah, the first few days I was home, we were just planning stuff for the christening, getting everything ready. And I hadn't seen my sister for over a year. Shit. My sister lives in Australia with her fiance and a cute little nephew. And obviously me and my boyfriend live here in Vancouver, and then my parents live in Ireland, so we're like spread this shit out. So we were all home and it was so nice, and honestly that's why I didn't vlog, because I just spent all my time with my family. I need to just find a brush. I have no clean brushes, so I'm just gonna use this pyramid. This is a weird brush, so I'm just gonna use this to blend this out. But anyway, yeah, that's okay. Don't ever use this to blend out contour, because that's not a good look. I have no clean brushes. This is a disaster. Okay, I found a brush. I'm gonna have to like quickly do this because my buzzer just called and FedEx is on his way up, and I'm sitting here half naked. So I need to blend this really quick. Put some clothes on before he comes, so I literally have 5 seconds. Shit, I hate when I'm in a rush. Okay, I'm just throwing this on so I can zip out to the door when he comes. This is what I'm down to now. Using broken brushes. So yeah, all my family's all spread apart, which kind of sucks. But it is what it is. So that's why when I was home, it was just like chilling with family time. And it was just, yeah, I just didn't vlog it. I wasn't really on social media kind of at all while I was home. And then when I got back, I was just stressed. Honestly, I was just stressed, and it's just, this job is not the easiest job, even though it looks easy. It's quite stressful. Even though I love it, I'd never give it up for the world. Just because you're doing it yourself, you know. I have nobody to do my work for me, like none of us do, because it's our face, it's our work, we have to do it ourselves. I'm not here to complain about my job, because I love my job. It's a job, it's work, it's hard. And sometimes it just gets me down. So lately I have just been, I think my FedEx man got lost. Yeah, so lately, the last like couple of days I've just been trying to get back in the swing of things and just kind of looking after myself, and I've just really been like quite down since I got back. What's going on with my head? So I just wanted to do a little video and have a chat and explain. We all have to take time out to look after ourselves. That's the most important thing. You know what's wrong? I like razored off all my little peach fuzz, and then my makeup sticks weird because I obviously missed bits, and that's why it's sticking so weird. I'm going in this afternoon to get my hair done. Finally. Honestly, I don't think I've had this done since, could have been January. It's either December or January. Like, I never ever leave it that long. So it's quite atrocious right now. FedEx still hasn't come. He obviously got lost in the lift. I'm gonna use my soft ochre to prime. As I said, I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things because I love making videos. It's my favorite thing. Like, I love YouTube, I love all this, but sometimes I hit a wall. You're just kind of stuck. That's what happens to me sometimes. So that's why I haven't been posting, which I apologize for. So I'm trying to look after myself more. Just look after yourself, because that's the most important thing. And especially I feel like in a time of social media, as much as I love social media and it's my job and all of that, it can get you down. Not just like people who do it, like people who are on social media, because you see people's perfect lives and think, oh, I want to be like them, or I want to be like this, or they have the perfect life, like nothing goes wrong for them or whatever. Like, that's not true, just so you know. Everybody has problems, everybody has issues. At the end of the day, most people just put all the good parts of their life online. They're not going to put the shitty parts out, so just remember that. Don't feel bad. That's pretty much all I want to say about that. It's just to look after yourself and don't be feeling sad or feeling shit about yourself because of what you see online and what you see in other people's lives. Because as I said, I have always said this from the beginning that Instagram isn't real. You know, it's not real life. People take the best parts of their life and put them on social media. And then you look at them and you see all the great parts, you don't see the bad parts, you don't see the fights with their boyfriends, their husbands, their girlfriends, their wives. You don't see breakups. You don't see that part of it. You don't see, you know, all the shitty things. So I'm going to use the new Huda Beauty. This is the Rose Gold Remastered palette. So I want to just give this a go. I'm not doing anything crazy today. It's just a makeup. I'm not really even sure what I'm going to do. But I just wanted to sit down and just do a chatty video. I'm going to just use sandalwood because, you know, it's a good old basic. But as you can see behind me, I'm finally starting to get my makeup room the way I want it. Still bits I need to do and still bits I need to get, and that when I do get all the little pieces that I want, I will film like a little makeup room, makeup collection. I don't really know what to call it, but probably like a makeup room video. And just go through how I organize my things and all that type of fun stuff. Because I know a lot of you have been asking about it. I also made a vlog, was it last week or the week before? Who even knows? I just started randomly vlogging different parts. I think it's quite terrible. I haven't looked at the footage, but I think I might just edit and upload it anyway because it's a start. And the reason why I'm so bad at vlogging is because I forget. Like, I forget to vlog. I know some people find it easy, like, and like no shade, some people live their lives on their Snapchat and they're constantly videoing everything they do. I don't do that, so I'm not in the habit of, you know, picking it up when I'm out doing stuff, because I'm just in the moment of enjoying what I'm doing, who I'm with. But I know I need to try and be a bit of a better vlogger. So that's my goal. My goal is to just do it. Just remember to do it. Yeah, I'm going to take a little bit of henna as well. Yeah, I just want to do like lots of new stuff on my channel, and I feel like I need to just share more of who I am. I find that kind of hard to do because I am I'm a private person. I don't really share lots. Not for any other reason than that's just how I've always been. So I think I'd like to start like doing more videos that kind of shows more of who I am. But I'm just trying to figure out the right type of videos for me. You know, I don't want to do what everyone else is doing. I'm going to try a little bit of this pink diamond shade. Oh, so I just realised FedEx still didn't come. That was probably 20 minutes ago, so thanks for that, FedEx, that's great. Just gonna use my brown Marc Jacobs pencil. Gonna go underneath the eye with this. I'm just using sandalwood to blend this out. I'm gonna wear my Jade lashes from Huda. Huda? Is it Huda or Huda? Huda, I'm guessing. Because I'm probably wrong in saying Huda. I'm obsessed with these Jade lashes. So be prepared to see these in every tutorial for the foreseeable future. Oh, I started watching a new show last night actually. I forgot about that until now. So obviously I'm watching Scandal, which I love. But my boyfriend doesn't really watch Scandal, so I like to just watch Scandal by myself. And so we started watching a new show last night. It's actually like a true story. It came up on Netflix. It was one of the top ones. It's about like a bank robbery thing. It's weird, but I'm not. I think there's like 4 parts maybe. Like I think that's what I saw. There's 4 parts to it, but we just started watching it last night, and I think it's gonna be good. Have any of you watched it? Let me know what you think. I think it's kind of weird, but good weird. Yeah, I just thought I would share what I'm watching right now. And obviously I'm watching Scandal, and I'm watching Grey's. Shonda Rhimes has a hold on my life right now. So anyway, what's everyone's plans for the summer? Where is everyone going on holidays, if you're going on holidays? I want to go to New York. My boyfriend's never been to New York. I've been a few times, and New York's my favorite city. I just love it. I just love the buzz, I love the people, just everything about New York. It's just like, it's just New York. How could you not love it? Oh, Oprah, how you never let me down with this glow. So I'm just going to use this Colourpop liquid lipstick. This is the shade Midi. I love these colours. The only problem is with this formula is it's so dry. I just can't stand it. It's just like, it shrivels up every bit of moisture in your lips. So I'm just going to put a gloss on top. This is under the Sheets gloss from MAC. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this chatty get ready with me. I hope you all have a great day, and don't forget to look after yourself, because self-care is the most important care. So look after yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.